Hey guys, it's Nate with MailerLite. I've got a special message for all of our awesome MailerLite users. I'm super excited. We've got a special event coming up on July 23rd in Vilnius, Lithuania, and you are officially invited. We want you to join us for our symposium on email marketing, and we want to help you grow your business. We've got international speakers from all over the world who are going to speak on content creation, GDPR, automation, segmentation, the latest email marketing trends. We're going to give you everything that you need to know. But not only are you getting amazing presentations, you're also going to get one-on-one meetings with all of us from MailerLite. You can schedule those. You can get a sit-down meeting with all of us, ask questions, learn more about the product, learn more about MailerLite, and come away with really good expertise on what you need to know with email marketing. So you're wondering what all this costs? Well, it's actually free. We want you to sign up. So take a look at the link below this video and go ahead and register, because even though it's free, you do have to be registered to attend. This event is for MailerLite customers, but if you've got a friend who's interested in email marketing and they'd like to learn more, you can register them too. Guys, we're so excited to see you there. We have a huge schedule packed that we think you're really going to enjoy. So go ahead and sign up and register, and we hope to see you in Vilnius on July 23rd.